729 ml of a mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 7:2. How much more water is to be added to get a new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 7:3? So in here we have 729 ml of mixture. So 729 ml of mixture is there, and in this 729 ml the ratio of milk to water is given to us as 7:2. So in this 729 ml the ratio of milk to water is 7:2. So first of all, let's find out how much milk is there and how much water is there. So milk is 7 part out of this total 9 parts. So milk is 7 part out of total 9 parts of this 729 ml. So I get 9 8s are 72, 9 1s are 9, and 7 1s are 7, 7 8s are 56. So I have 567 ml of milk. So water here will be 729 minus 567, which would be 162, right? All right, so this is the value of milk and water here. Question is telling me how much more water is to be added. So we are adding water here, so the amount of milk remains the same, but we are adding water here. So let's say X amount of water is added, and now this is the new mixture, this is the ratio of new mixture, and this ratio is given to me as the new mixture containing milk and water in the ratio 7:3. So this ratio is given to me as 7:3. So this ratio is same as this ratio. So I can write it as 567 upon 162 plus X is equals to 7/3. Now we have an equation here. Let's solve this. This 3 will go on the left hand side and get multiplied with this. So 567 into 3 will give me 1701 is equals to this 162 plus X will go on the right hand side and get multiplied with 7. So I get 162 into 7 will give me 1134 plus 7 into X, 7X. Now 1701 minus 1134 will give me 567 is equals to this 7X. Now I get X is equals to 567 upon this 7. 7 8s are 56, 7 1s are 7. So I get the value of X, which is 81. Question is asking me how much more water is to be added. So we are adding water. We added X amount of water and X is equals to 81. So this is our required answer. Here option D is the correct one.